This year, Hero MotoCorp had something really exciting for us at the Eicma show. No, it wasn't a production bike, but a full-blown rally kit for the XPulse 200. And apart from that, also a rather interesting concept. Welcome to ZigWheels and our coverage of the 2019 Eicma show. To stay up to date on all the hottest bikes from Milan, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also click on the little bell icon to stay notified of when our next Eicma video drops. Now coming to the rally kit, it gets all new suspension which is fully adjustable and has longer travel as well. How much longer? Well, we don't know, but what we do know is it adds an extra 55 mm of ground clearance, bringing the total up to 275 mm. It's also offering rather aggressive rally tires. Now, the bike on display had Maxxis rubber, but we're not too sure which ones will actually be available in the kit. Now the brake and the shift levers have been extended to make them easy to use with motocross boots, and even the seat, it's a lot flatter to make it more suitable for riding off the road. You can move more easily back and forth on it. Even the handlebar has risers, which means riding while standing on the pegs is a much easier affair. But the biggest change mechanically is much shorter gearing thanks to different sprockets, a 12 tooth at the front and a 40 tooth at the rear. Now with this kit, Hero says that the XPulse 200 might only be able to hit a top speed of just 100 km/h, but it will have a lot more oomph when you want to slide your rear end in the dirt. Now the show bike also had an Akrapovic exhaust, but that is not included in the kit. Now Hero is trying to work out some deal for an exhaust, but that's something we'll come to know a little bit later on. Now this kit hasn't been homologated for road use, which means if you slap this on your XPulse, you're kind of limited to riding just on the rough stuff. Now Hero intends to price this at about 50,000 rupees. Now that might sound like a lot, but you are getting quite a lot for your money's worth. Expect this kit to be available in Jan or Feb of next year. Now coming to the Xtreme 1.R concept. It might be called an Xtreme, but it doesn't look anything like an Xtreme we have seen before. The styling is definitely that of a street fighter, but it does look quite muscular and almost European. There are some good looking design bits on this, such as the floating tail panels and the semi-floating seat. But the rest of the bike, well, it just looks a bit garish. But of course, we are not being too hard on Hero. It is a concept after all. Now Hero hasn't said anything about the engine in this concept, but it looks like they're using the one from the ZMR. You can see that little vertical stacked oil cooler on one side. And there's also a little Aero exhaust to go with it. Now this concept bike was running full wheel covers at the rear and slick tires. But hey, concept. All we know is that it weighs under 140 kilos. This Xtreme 1.R concept is supposed to be a preview of upcoming bikes in Hero's X range. Xtreme, XPulse, that lot. So while we certainly would like to see what bike finally spawns from this concept, you're actually a lot more excited about Hero's rally kit for the XPulse because we can't wait to get our hands on that and go trail bashing.